Thank you for calling the service. This is Giancarlo Caigla speaking. How may I help you? Certainly, ma'am. Do you have the menu with you? It is on the table next to the bed. Do you see it? May I have your name and number, please? Thank you for that information. Okay, Miss Precious Peralta of room 302. May I take your order? Would you prefer to your egg sunny side up or hard-boiled? Is there anything else that you would like to order? Okay, Miss Peralta, may I repeat your order? You ordered bacon and scrambled eggs, orange juice, and bread. Is that correct? Your order will be delivered within 15 to 20 minutes. Would you like us to deliver it right now or a specific time? The total amount is your bill is 299 pesos. Are you paying it cash or charging a room? Is there anything that I can help you with? Thank you for calling the service. Have a nice day. Good morning, ma'am. This is your room service group. May I come in?
Perfect! Okay? Dahan-dahan!
Would you like me to make your drink or just for the table? Yeah, fine. This is, excuse me, ma'am, this is your bacon and sunny, and this is your bread, this is your orange juice, this is your ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am, may I open the service for to bread and you? This is your bill. I received 1,000 pesos. Here's your change. What time would you like me to clean your soil dishes?
After an hour.
Have a nice day.